Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. My March Boxycharm by Ipsy came in the mail today, so we are going to open it up together. It's March 6th and my box came. Normally it doesn't come until like the second week of the month. I feel like I always get it around like the 12th to the 15th. So 5-day turnaround. I'm shocked. I feel like I'm also really excited for this box. I feel like I picked some good things and my choices were really good. As always, I have everything pulled up on my phone so I can tell you what I picked and what Ipsy picked. So let's open her up. I'm really hoping that everything is in its respective box this time, because if you guys saw February's unboxing, everything was out of the boxes. Every single item was out of the box. So let's see. And it looks like everything is in its home. So this is what we got inside. First up is this Mud Masky Sleep Repair Renewal Nourishing Mask. I chose this. I'm very excited to try this. This is pH balance and it's repairing, hydrating, rejuvenating, smoothing, and protecting. I like to do these every other night in between doing a sheet mask because I'm a little high maintenance, but I love this and I'm almost out of my elf sleeping mask, so I'm going to give this one a try. Next up is the Glow Recipe Strawberry BHA Pore Smooth Blur Drops. I'm so excited to try this. Glow Recipe is a brand I haven't really tried. These were chosen for me. So this is a treatment or a primer, so this sounds really, really cool. And I'm very excited to try it, and I love the packaging. It kind of looks like a hand sanitizer. It's just so cute and little. The third product is this Dew of the Gods Almafi Gold Hair Serum. So I chose this, and the packaging is so pretty. Like, this is the box that it came in, and inside the box is a dropper for this. This has olive oil and argan oil in it. And all you have to do is apply 3 to 6 drops to damp or dry hair in the morning or a higher volume at night, and you can use it as an overnight hair mask. I'm really excited to try this. This is going to give your hair shine, deep texture, and protection from mechanical heat in the summer sun. Fourth product is this Galactic Fruit Superfood Scrub. This is another product that I picked, and this is just a sugar face scrub. I'm actually running out of my other face scrub that I got in an Ipsy a couple of months ago, so that's kind of why I picked this. That's why I love subscription boxes like this, because if there's choices, I can look at the choices and be like, oh, I'm running out of this, or oh, I'm running out of that. So I was running out of exfoliator, so I don't have to go to Ulta or CVS or Sephora to go buy one. But this sounds really, really good. This has avocado oil, cucumber, blueberry, and strawberry extract to energize your skin, and it has a bunch of antioxidants and strawberry seeds, and it's going to rejuvenate and brighten to maintain healthy looking skin. And last we have the Wander Beauty Trailblazer Eyeshadow Palette. So Ipsy picked this for me and they did a phenomenal job, because look at this eyeshadow palette. It is gorgeous. I mean, Lindsay E and I think it's Noreen. Yeah, Noreen, these two greens. Stunning. This is a beautiful palette. It is right up my alley because you have your neutrals and you got your pop of color. I'm so excited to use this. I'm probably going to use this because I'm corny and lame the week of St. Patrick's Day because of the greens. But this is stunning and I cannot wait to use it. This month's Ipsy is really good. I'm really excited to try out all the products. If you get an Ipsy, let me know what you got in the comments down below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!